WAN stands for B. Wide Area Network is the correct answer. What is the main difference between a mainframe and a supercomputer? C. Supercomputers are focused to execute few programs as fast as possible, while mainframe uses its power to execute as many programs concurrently is the correct answer. S. Called the father of modern digital computer? A. Alan Turing is the correct answer. Who is the father of computer science? A. Alan Turing is the correct answer. A CPU contains C. A control unit and an arithmetic logic unit is the correct answer. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? A. User interface is the correct answer. The first computers were programmed using B. Machine language is the correct answer. Is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. A. Network is the correct answer.